With massive datasets in modern supply chain operations, enterprises across sectors are leveraging intelligent automation to boost operational efficiency, reduce errors, improve compliance, and increase overall workforce capacity, all while delivering greater data visibility and analysis. High-volume and repetitive processes within supply chain operations were selected as targets for automation at one of Roboyo's food production clients. In this demo video, we'll show you the transformation achieved across these use cases. Prior to automation, these processes generally required employees to manually navigate through different SAP modules, extracting and reviewing key information such as open disputes for lumper validation, arrival dates for late delivery notifications and updates, weekly supplier charges for loading detention report amendments, and scheduled deliveries to enter shipment appointments. These processes were heavily manual, error-prone, and required the attention of multiple full-time employees to manage. Let's take a look at the late delivery automation. The bot starts by logging into the SAP system, navigating to the track and trace module, and running the query with the desired date range and reason code. It then goes to each freight order, collects the order number and delivery appointment date, and opens a new window to get details. Once it verifies if the order has arrived at destination, it will compare the date it arrived with the planned date. If the shipment arrived on time, it will then update the event reason code to notify everything is in order. If the shipment didn't arrive on time, it will send a notification email with the details to the logistics team. This process originally required the attention of 3 FTEs, spending 4 minutes per item, totaling close to 7 hours of transaction time daily. Now the process is scheduled and run by the bot in just 10 seconds per item, fully unattended, giving back valuable time to the 3 FTEs previously in charge of managing this process. For the weekly loading detention report, the robot starts by logging into the SAP portal and running a report for each week's detention and supplier charges. It then opens the previous report in Excel and updates it with the new information. The total processing time went from 60 minutes to 15 seconds with the bot running as scheduled once a week, reallocating 1 full-time employee to spend this time on more strategic work. In the last example, for lumper validation, the bot logs into the SAP portal and runs queries for disputes to validate. It then reviews each dispute from the previous query and validates if the charge type is lumper charge, status is waiting approval, dispute amount is less or equal to $100, and saves and confirms the transaction. This process went from 2 minutes transaction time to 2 seconds, running 3 times a day, every day of the week, allowing the full-time employee to work on higher-value initiatives. By automating crucial supply chain processes, Roboyo helped this client save over 5,000 hours of manual work annually and is projected to cover any increase in volume based on future growth, which would have likely resulted in additional employees tasked with the same manual process. Contact us if you'd like to learn how your supply chain management can be automated, augmenting back-office efficiency, ensuring 100% data accuracy, and most importantly, freeing valuable talent to focus on strategic and innovative work.